Hello, so today we are going to solve question best time to buy and sell stock. Okay, so the question is get maximum profit by buying and selling at most one time. So we have given prices of the stocks for a particular day and we need to get maximum profit from the stocks price, and the condition is first we have to buy, then only we can sell. Okay, so for making profit the selling price of stock should be greater than the buying price. Okay, like for example, when we are buying for first day, so we can buy in one, and suppose we can sell second day or fourth day. Okay, so suppose when we are saying selling second day means 5 in 5, and we bought in 1 rupee 1 and we sold in 5, so our profit is 4. Same when we are selling on fourth day means the price is 6 and we bought in 1, so our profit will be 5. So we can see, so our maximum profit can be 5. Okay, by bought on first day 1 and sell on fourth day in 6 rupees. Okay, so let's see another example. Suppose 5 4 2 1. Suppose this is the prices of stock for a particular day 0 1 2 3. So in this case we can see the prices is decreasing always, so we can't make profit. Okay, because per day prices is going down. Okay, so our maximum profit will be 0. So in this case we don't have to do any transaction because we will be in loss. So let's see how we can solve. So suppose we have a variable current CP, suppose current price, and one answer for the storing answer. Okay, so suppose we start from 0, index 0, so our current price is 7. We'll move to next when the price is less than the previous day price. In that case we will replace current price, otherwise we will calculate our answer. Okay, so 1 which is, now we have moved to 1, index 1, or the price is 1. So here we can see the 1 is less than 7, so we can't make profit. So what we'll do, we'll replace 7 with 1. Okay, so let's move to index 2. So price is 5. We can see 5 is greater than 1, means we can make a profit. So how much profit we can make? 4. So 4. Initially answer is 0, then we replace answer with 4 because 4 is greater than 0. Okay, so let's move to index 3, and our current price is 1. Okay, so 3 is also greater than 1, so we can make profit. How much profit? 2. But as we already have 4, so we will not replace 4. Let's move to 6, means the fourth index. So here price is 6, so we can make a profit of 6 minus 1 equal to 5, and 5 is greater than our last answer, so we'll replace 4 with 5. And let's move to next 5, fifth index. So price is 4, so we can make 4 minus 1 equal to 3 profit, but we already have 5 as an answer, so this will be our answer. Okay, so now let's see code. So this is a method which returns maximum profit, which takes input as array, that is the price of the stocks for each day. Okay, like this is P, we can say. Let's go to through the code. So J is the size of the array. So if J is 0 means the size is 0, means there is no prices of the stocks, then in that case we will simply return 0. So actually last time I told current price, actually better name will be last price, and I have initialized last price with index 0, means first value, which is 7. Okay, and now after initializing last day's price 7, will start from 1 on the first day, from the next of the 0. So next is 1, which is smaller than the last day's price, means 7, So in this case we will replace last day's price with the current day's price, means Pi. Okay, so now let's move to 2. So I will move to 2. So in this case Pi which is 5 is greater than the last days, that is 1. Okay, so in this case we are making profit. So how much profit? Current day's price minus last days, which is 5 minus 1, 4. So answer is 0. So our answer will replace with 4 because I am taking the maximum. Answer was initialized with 0. Okay, so now let's move to 3. So again 1 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 1, so we are making 2 profit, but our answer already holds 4, so we will not replace. Now again move to 4th index, which is 6. So again you can see Pi is greater than the last P was 1. Okay, last P was 1. So in this case again we'll calculate our answer, and our answer will be replaced with 5. So this way we have calculated our answer and will return the answer. Okay, thank you.